Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Saturday. In this video, I'll be introducing you to a very powerful AI tool. This tool will enable you to generate any 3D model using AI. You can type in the text and you'll be able to generate 3D model like this. And you can upload your image and you'll be able to generate a 3D model like this. You can auto rig and animate your 3D assets. The tool also provides you with opportunities to create your own 3D worlds. So come along with me so I can show you how you can, create your 3D assets that you can use in your own projects. And again, also keeping in mind that this tool is not totally free. If you register new, you are being given 20 credits to use. Once you exhaust that 20 credit, you will need to subscribe for you to be able to create more 3D assets. Okay, so for you to be able to create a 3D asset, what you need to do is to come over here, click on generate anything. Then you have option for you to create, create from text prompt or create from image. So in this video, we're going to be looking at creating from image. So I'm going to click on create from image. Then I'm going to click browse your files. So I'm going to click on this hybrid lion. Then I'm going to give it model name. I'm going to give it hybrid lion. So I'm going to tick here, just to accept everything. Then I'm going to click generate. Okay, so the 3D model has been created. 3D model. So you have option for you to be able to download the 3D model, and here you can also generate a 3D. You can generate another 3D model. You can animate. If you want to animate this 3D model, you can animate it. So comment below if you want me to show how you can animate your 3D model, that when you generate a 3D model and you want to animate it. So if you want to know, comment below so I can create another video to show you guys how you can animate 3D model. Okay, so that is it guys. So please don't forget to like and subscribe, and also click the notification bell so that whenever we upload, you'll be notified. And again, help me to get this channel to 1,000 subscribers.